Welcome to Nini's EduHelp, an educational platform to study maths friendly, easily and efficiently.
A great teacher takes a hand, opens a mind, and touches a heart.
Today, we are going to discuss one of the important problems for grade 10 from the chapter Quadratic Equations. Let's start. The question is, if the equation 1 plus a square b square x square plus 2abc x plus c square minus m square is equal to 0, in x has equal roots, then shows that c square is equal to m square into 1 plus a square. In this question, it is given that x has equal roots. Equal roots means what? Discriminant is equal to 0. What is the discriminant? Discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. According to this question, the value of a is equal to what? 1 plus a square into b square. That means value of a means coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square will be value of a. We can open the bracket. When we open the bracket, b square into 1, b square, plus into plus plus, a square into b square, a square b square. We open the bracket. Now, what is the value of b? Value of b is equal to coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? In this question, 2abc. What is the value of c? C is equal to c square minus m square. It is a constant term. X degree will be 0. That means that term, constant term, there is no x. Now we are going to input all these values in that equation. B square minus 4ac. What is b square? B square is equal to 2abc whole square minus 4 into what is a? A is equal to what? B square plus a square b square. Whenever there is more than one term is there, it is better to keep inside the bracket. Then what is the value of c? C is c square minus m square. That is equal to what? Discriminant is equal to 0, no? So equal to 0. Now we are going to open the bracket one by one. 2 square, that means 4. A square, b square, c square. Minus 4 into. First we will open these two bracket. What it is? We have to connect each term from this bracket to this bracket. So b square into c square. That means what? B square c square. Then plus b square into minus m square. What is plus into minus? Plus into minus, minus b square into m square, b square, m square. Now we have to look at the second term. It is a square, b square. A square, b square into c square. Both of them are positive, no? So positive into positive. That means positive itself. So a square, b square, c square will come. Now, positive a square, b square into negative m square. Plus into minus, minus will come, no? So a square minus a square, b square, m square. Now we are going to open the bracket. So 4 b square c square. Minus into minus plus 4b square m square. Minus into plus minus again. 4a square b square c square. Minus into minus plus
Welcome to Nimi's
4
EduHelp,
into a square b
an
square
educational
m square.
platform to study
4
maths friendly,
a square
easily and
b square
efficiently.
m square.
A great
Equal
teacher
to
takes a
0.
hand,
Now
opens a
we
mind and
open
touches a
all the
heart.
bracket. Now if you look at here, 4a square b square c square and minus 4a square b square c square. Both of them are same term, like term it is. But one of them is positive, the other one is negative. That means if we do this problem, if we add, both of them are different symbol, no? We will get what? 0. That means these both symbols are going to cancel. Both of them are like term but a different symbol. Like term with the same coefficient. So both of them are cancelled because we will get a 0 only. Now, if you look at the balance term, here 4 and b square, all of them has 4 and b square. So 4b square we can take it as a common factor. Outside we can keep. So minus is there, no? So minus is also I am keeping outside. Now, what is the balance in the first term? C square, no? Now, if I want to get positive, I want to write what? Minus here. When I open the bracket, the symbol will never change. Minus into minus, plus itself we have to get. So that is the reason we have to take care while writing the symbol inside the bracket. While open the bracket, we have to get the same symbol itself. So minus into minus plus I will get. So balance is what is coming? M square. Now I need to get positive again. So that means minus is already outside, no? So I have to keep minus inside. Then only minus into minus plus I will get when I open the bracket. So what is the balance there? 4b square is already outside, is there, no? So what is the balance? A square m square. Close the bracket. That is equal to 0. Now this is minus 4b square into c square minus m square minus a square m square is equal to 0. So this is into, no? That means we can transpose it into the other side. That means we are going to divide c square minus m square minus a square m square is equal to 0 by minus 4b square. Whenever there is a numerator is coming 0, that means answer is what? 0. So c square minus m square minus a square m square is equal to 0. According to our question, c square has to keep it in on one side, no? So we are going to shift all other terms to the right side. So c square, let it be there. All other side has to transpose to the other side. So minus will change into plus. So minus m square will be plus m square. Minus a square m square will be plus a square m square. If you look at here, m square is common for both the term, no? So I can take it as a common factor outside m square. Then if you look at the first term, nothing is there, no? Only coefficient 1 is there. So I will write it 1 plus m square is already outside in the if you look at the second term. So I have to write only what? A square. So that means c square is equal to m square into 1 plus a square. If you look at our question, c square is equal to m square into 1 plus a square, no? The same we reach. That means we reach to our answer. Therefore, hence proved. I hope all of them understood this question very well. While doing like this problem, you should have to take care about the minus and plus symbols. You have to practice few more problems like this. You can easily do like this problem from this chapter.